fellow Nigerians and compatriots. It was Caponia, the wife of Julius Caesar, who, in trying to impress on him not to go out on the Ides of March because of the dreams she has had, she said, "When beggars die, there are no comets seen, but the heavens themselves blaze forth the death of princes." Julius Caesar replied, "Cowards die many times before their death. The valiant never taste of death but once. Of all the worlds I've yet have heard, it seems to me most strange that men should fear, seeing that death, a necessary end, must come when it will come." That was how Ozekhome faced death squarely. He looked at death, the monstrous visage of death, eyeball to eyeball, and said, "Go to hell, Mr. Death." So death, where is thy sting? Jesus Christ, in calling his disciples, in Luke 9:60, one of the disciples said, "I will come, but let me first go and bury my dad, my father." Jesus Christ told him, "Don't worry, come along. Let the dead bury themselves." But looking at the array of dignitaries here from all over the world, we can see that injunction being defied, because here are us burying the dead. We have said we are not going to allow the dead bury the dead. That is because of the impactful nature of High Chief Raymond Dokpesi. He was a big tree, big Iroko tree, that allowed all the birds to perch upon and all the other smaller animals to shield themselves under. From south to north, from east to west, his image loomed larger than life. Aside perhaps Chief Obafemi Awolowo 1987, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, and Dean Chukwuemeka Odumegwu, I'm yet to see any Nigerian mourned with such effusive renditions as we have seen in the case of Dokpesi. We will all miss you. There's no question about that. The family you have left behind are sorrowing. We, your brothers and friends, are grieving. You and I encountered each other and spoke up to 1:50 a.m. on the 29th of May 2023. How would I know that less than 10 hours later you would be gone? And guess what? He died on the 29th of May, Democracy Day. How many people ever thought about the significance of that death? Why did he not die on the 28th? Why not on the 30th? It was like telling Nigerians, this democracy that I've been fighting for, that you are messing up, which I fought for at the 2005 political conference, at the Vision 2009, at the 2014 national conference, rolling out all DAAR facilities, radio and television, to make good. You are still messing it up. So you know what? Let me drop dead on this day so that you may get it right. Adieu, Ozekhome. Farewell, Araba of Oshoroland. Goodbye, Ogierumwa and Ozekhome of Wepawano Kingdom. Till we meet to part no more. God bless you all.
Thank you.